Facebook fans, this is Arvee Robinson, the Master Speaker Trainer, International Speaker and Author, saying hello today. And it's important for you to get in the game. So what am I talking about? What game am I talking about? And that is the game of public speaking. Yes, you need to get in the game of public speaking and start to get out there and speak. So hello, everyone. All right, so I'm going to give you 4 reasons that you need to get in the game. Number 1, we're going to spell out the acronym GAME. I'm going to use the acronym GAME. So if you're taking notes, just put G.A.M.E. and we're going to talk about that. So number 1 reason why you need to get in the game of public speaking is because you can. You need to think about it this way. Be very grateful that you live in a country where we still have freedom of speech, where we can stand up on stages and we can speak as loud as we want to, or we can go on rooftops and speak. We can speak in the traffic area, and we've often seen people do that. But we have the privilege of being able to speak and have the privilege of freedom of speech. So I say exercise that. Get out there and speak. So be very grateful, have gratitude that you have the ability to speak. And you need to use that ability and that privilege. The A stands for audiences. There are audiences out there that are just waiting to hear you and your message. They are suffering, and your words could end their suffering. So again, you have your own audiences, your own target market, only, people that can only hear it from you. And you need to exercise that as well and get out there and reach those audiences. The M, we're spelling out game. The M stands for message. You have a message to share that only you can share to people that can only hear it from you. I can't deliver that message. Only you can, to the audience that needs to hear it. And it'll save their business, save their life, or even save their soul. So that's why it's so important for you to get it out there. And E, well, the E stands for excellence. You need to perfect your public speaking skills. And whether you're already speaking and have taken some training, that's great. You need to keep taking training. Continuing education in public speaking is a must. The better speaker you are, the better you will touch audiences, the more persuasive you'll be, the more money you'll make. Everything is in a direct relationship with the education that you get on public speaking. So keep coming back for more, keep getting educated. And if there's anything I can do to help you, let me know. Bye for now.